G'day, it's Justin Hogg here from RightSource. We're doing accounting basics, helping those of you out there want to know what the hell it is your accountant does, helping you get a bit of an insight into what it is they do and how they help your business. Today, what I wanted to talk about was, why do we do accounting at all? What is the purpose of accounting? Like stepping back and going, well, that's great, but why is it here? Now, for me, the purpose of accounting is first you need to understand that accounting isn't real. So it's something I talked about a lot, is that accounting is a construct. It's some rules and some mechanics that you follow, but it actually in itself it isn't real. What accounting is, it allows you to create a reflection of reality. So by using accounting or accounting methods, what you are able to do is to create a picture of your business or of your personal assets or of how things are going, or the money that's flying, or the value that's flying around. So accounting is really about creating a picture of reality, but in itself isn't real. So it's like looking through your television set. You're not looking at anything real. What's on the TV screen isn't actually what's really happening. It's happening somewhere else that's getting filmed, but it allows you to see it in a way that allows you to understand something and to get a better picture of what's going on. Because accounting is about creating a picture for your business, the importance is about that picture meaning something to you. Now, we talk about accounting not being real, and accounting being about rules and guidelines. That means there's always more than one way to do something. So if your picture of your business that your accounting process is creating doesn't mean something to you, change it. Because there's more than one way to do it, and you need to find a way, either working with your accountant, or if your accountant can't do that, find another accountant who can, that helps create a picture for you that makes sense in terms of how your business is going and how your business is operating, and actually creates value in terms of when you look at it, it gives you a sense of the reality that is your business. Now that's the big picture. Now every picture is made up of pixels. Now the part of accounting that is important is that all these rules actually relate right down to lots and lots and lots of little transactions. Now, each of these transactions effectively consists a pixel of the picture that is your business. So it's important for each of these pieces of information to be done, or data, to be captured correctly. Now, you'll hear people talk about being materially correct, or it's close enough. Well, yes, that is a concept if you want your picture to be blurry. If you want your picture of your business to be crystal sharp, well then you want to make sure that your data is getting captured accurately and consistently so that you have a clear picture of what your business is doing. So I always like to have processes in place that is capturing data in a very consistent and clear way, but obviously very efficient way, because you don't want to spend a lot of time collecting that data. You want the picture to get generated as quickly and effortlessly as possible. So that's really what accounting, why do we do accounting? Well, we do accounting to create a picture of your business, to understand the reality, and to use a set of concepts and rules to create that picture. Hopefully that's given you guys an idea of the purpose of accounting, so that when you're talking with your accountant, or you're looking at your financials, or you're using an accounting package, you understand what it is you're actually trying to achieve through doing that, so that hopefully you get a bit more out of it. If there's more you want to find out about the wonderful world of accounting, check out the YouTube channel we've got for RightSource. There's a lot of different tips, some templates there you can grab. Feel free to subscribe, because then you can get updates coming through to you automatically. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys next time. It's Justin Hogg from RightSource.